Welcome to our Python programming series. Today, we're diving into the world of assignment statements. These are the building blocks of Python programming. Let's start with the basics. An assignment statement in Python assigns a value to a variable. Here, we have assigned the value 5 to the variable x. Python also allows multiple assignments in one statement. B equals 3, 4. This assigns 3 to A and 4 to B simultaneously. Chained assignments let you assign a single value to multiple variables. Now, both C and D hold the value 10. Compound assignments combine an operation with an assignment. This is shorthand for E equals E plus 2. It increments E by 2. A cool trick in Python is swapping variables in one line. Here, the values of F and G are swapped. Assignment can also be done with lists. This assigns each element of the list to a separate variable. Unpacking allows you to assign values from iterables to variables. K gets 4, while L becomes a list containing the rest of the values. Assignment statements are simple yet powerful. They are essential for storing and manipulating data in your Python programs. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more Python tutorials. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.